Alright, so what you doing now?
So we're at the curry now.
Alright, so it's 4 pounds of chicken that we're using. How much curry powder you just had a while ago?
They really want me to do that.
Yes, the people them need to know the amount of portions we add.
Welcome viewers and subscribers. So there again, man, after a long break, I understand. So today guys, we're gonna cook up a quick meal, I understand. Truly there with the camera and we're gonna just vibe the thing through, you see me? As usual. You see it? So today guys, we're gonna do a nice little dish, you understand? We're gonna do curry chicken. You get me I say? This was a requested video by a lot of persons. So we're gonna do curry chicken and we have a jasmine rice over here, so these are all of the ingredients. So you see me? We're gonna get into the thing. But first of all, guys, I just want to say, you know, big up to all of the persons who reach out to me and, you know, encourage me throughout the little break and thing and say, yo, what go on, I want to see no video and everything like that. And you understand? So you see it? Just want to big up all of the persons who don't know themselves. You see me? Yeah. So make we get into it, peeps. So right now we have a chicken and you know this fresh and thing. You see it? So guys, today we are use some what them call bugu lime.
Bugu what?
Bugu lime.
Bugu.
You know if you ask why them name it. So.
Me want to know why.
You know, see the outside look. You see it? So I'm call it bugu lime.
No, what are you saying? Bugu?
Bugu lime. Some people just call it regular.
I know that me know it as right, me know it as sour orange.
Yeah, different people have different names for it, I see.
Alright, hey everyone, welcome back. I'm not the reason. Don't blame me. Rushie know himself why him takes so long. But as he said, this was a requested video. Some persons from overseas wanted his version of Jamaican curry chicken. So how much pound of chicken that you have chop up with?
So 4 pound of chicken.
4 pound of chicken. So right now I'm just clean up the chicken. And curry chicken is normally chopped in small pieces. So you must go through and cut up the chicken little.
Little.
You know, cut off the skin?
Not really.
Not really?
Some persons like yourself like it with the skin, you know. Wrong, I'm right.
Yeah, tell the people in my business. Pal.
Yeah, then. And a secret again. Small pieces, that's right.
You can chop it as small as you like.
So guys, like all them pieces, in part you have to trim them up.
What, the leg?
Most of them.
Alright, so you add the sour orange to the water for what reason?
To kill the little raw fishes.
Rawness.
Not fishes smell.
Fishy?
It's a chicken.
Raw chicken?
Like raw chicken smell.
Okay.
So I know different persons use different methods, you see me?
Yeah.
So
some persons might add vinegar, some might add lime, some might add both.
I want to tell you, see people use flour as well.
Flour?
Yeah, man.
If you cut the rawness. Oh.
Big up my Trini friend them. I'm go Trinidad.
How you
See.
use flour if you cut the rawness of chicken?
Ask them. That's what they do. Jamaicans don't use that.
If you're a Trini, in the comment section, just please comment how this is possible. Flour not have no smell.
Well,
So I don't know.
Apparently the flour, and I think I see it somewhere else as well. Man. Them use the flour too. So,
Okay.
you know, everywhere you go, the culture different. So, and I'm a Trini massive them, and a big up on myself.
Alright, so meanwhile, he is chopping and cleaning the chicken. I'm gonna come over here and just introduce some of the ingredients to you. So this is how Rushi does his curry chicken. Alright. So as you can see, a lot of corn oil. This is jasmine rice for the starch. A little margarine. This is some black pepper. Black pepper. I think this black pepper is very convenient. I like that Eve black pepper there. This is some curry powder. And if you know curry in Jamaica, we like the better pack curry or the Indian curry. So this is the
better pack.
This is the better pack curry.
Which is the better pack.
This is a spice that I got from my friend 876, Kingston 876. He has an assortment of spices, peppers, everything that you can think of in terms of seasoning. He can be found in Portmore. It's AZ Meat and White Limited. Very, very, very good. Very, very, very good. You know the Maggi seasoning. Season it up with your chicken. So persons can use the chicken spice, the all-purpose spice, the jerk seasoning spice, whichever seasoning you want to use. But today we're going to be using the chicken spice. And then, you know, some salt, and that is for the powdered seasoning. For the green blends.
By the way, guys, this is the second wash. Truly, you can show them more going over here. So this is the second wash, guys. If you want, you can use some more lime as well, but me use a portion of it in the first instance. So I don't have to use no more.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, on the
chicken.
chicken.
Kind of big still for curry chicken. If I made it a cook, me would have chopped them up smaller still.
Yes. You hear what I say? If you did a cook.
Okay, alright.
Okay. So different strokes for different folks, though.
Yes. So I will prove to the world so I can cook the time still. But until then, we just make a rock your show.
Yeah, so we get your own episode, man. Guys, enough for call feeds, see? Show us what you made of. Which, by the way, we know you can cook still. We know you can cook.
Yes, tell the people them say, I me make it so fat. Tell the people them know, say I me cook and make it so fat around. Great guys in that suffer before. Suffering.
We'll now go for a commercial break. We'll be back after these messages.
Alright, so he's just doing the second wash just to cut the extra rawness of the chicken. So continuing over here with the seasonings, we have onions, of course. We have some garlic. We have Scotch bonnet pepper. You can't know without a Scotch bonnet pepper them. We have some pimento or allspice berries. Ginger. Can't cook curry without ginger. Some scallions and thyme. I don't know why tomato in there, because tomato not going to curry. But a Rushie kitchen, so Lowy man in kitchen. Some carrots. Irish potatoes, and this. How much a pound for sweet pepper now in our market, Rushie? How much you get this for? Because this alone could have cost all $500, you know?
Yeah, man. Sweet pepper fetch some price now, man.
Yeah.
400 a pound.
Yeah, we made the sacrifice
Yeah.
to get the sweet pepper for the channel for this special episode. Sweet pepper actually adds a lot of flavor to chicken. I personally like when I cut up the seeds in the pot. It's sweet, but it's not gonna bring the heat. Hey, that ran. Sweet, but it's not gonna bring the heat. Alright, so
Yes, eat.
tell us what you're doing now.
So just drying our chicken, make sure so get off all the liquid.
Oh, so you're draining the excess water.
Yeah, man.
You said drying off.
Well,
Like
draining
a
off.
baby chicken.
Draining off.
And it might dry off now, alright.
And guys, because we're not in the lay thing, we just season up same time.
So how much time you wash the chicken? 3 times?
Well, 2 times.
2?
Yeah, man. 2 times. So guys, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just bust a quick season, you see me? And my thing kinda different, you see it?
Guys, if you want me to tell you how you can get this seasoning, very nice, very flavorful, and adds a lot of spice to your pot. It's a little spicy, but I think curry chicken needs a little spice. If you don't have enough spice, then you know, you just not rock my boat. Alright, so what you doing now?
So we're at the curry now.
Alright, so it's 4 pounds of chicken that we're using. How much curry powder you just add a while ago?
You really want me to do that?
Yes, the people them need to know the amount of
curry
portions
powder,
where you
girl?
add.
As long as I add it, I make sure so they cover the chicken.
No, you can't
cover
be
properly.
doing that, Rushie.
So guys,
you can't just in a kitchen and cook and just a throw seasoning and people don't know how much seasoning you add to the pot.
So guys, so when you add your curry powder, just make sure say your chicken is covered entirely with it.
Guys, I tried.
Right now, I can't tell if I use a pound of curry powder, if I use 2 pounds. So just use your judgment. As I say, one key thing is to make sure say all of your chicken is covered.
Alright, so I'm going to help those persons that can't cook.
Let the salt.
So I'm going to say per pound of chicken, you add 2 tablespoons of curry. You man just a throw seasoning. Tell me where you add now.
And guys, this is the... So we just add some
Yes.
Maggi chicken seasonings
How much
in.
this? 10 grams? Let me see this. You add all of this?
No, so I just use about half part.
So half of this.
So we use some of the jerk season as well. So just add some flavor, right? And just work that in. You can use your hands, guys, but watch this. Can't take the stain up thing with the curry, you see me? So just use the fork and mix it properly. Alright, this is that already? Covered, right? So that is what I'm talking about when I say cover. Alright. So one key thing we're gonna do again, because I'm gonna use my hand to mix up everything, I'm gonna just see it? Alright. Come look again. Pretty though. Smell nice though. Right? Alright. So you think that one no more curry? No? Alright. So guys, what we can do as well is add some black pepper. No. What is? Thing hard to come out Rasta. Actually, it's a wrong end. Alright guys, so add some black pepper. So there you have it. So guys, what I'm gonna do is just leave this, make it go and soak, go and marinate and thing, right? Afterwards, what we're gonna do is just light the stove and make this go and marinate, make it go and soak same way. Afterwards, we just put this for go and cook. You see it? Alright. So, as I say, everybody do them thing different. You see it? There are some people cut up for them season and thing and the chicken and make it go and marinate with it. You can do either thing. You can make the chicken marinate with just the powder seasoning and then cut up this one side. Or you can just do it the other way around. For me normally just do this. Cut them up separate. And when it has steam down, when the chicken has steam down, chicken catch a color and everything, then I just cut up my season them on. Alright guys, so we have all our season them right here, so don't know if you have the onion. Maybe I may alone hold my onion in there and cut it up. I love all my season them in there and cut it up.
I don't know where wash our fucking board for. Just watch your
Just
finger.
waste of time.
Just watch your finger is all I'm saying.
Ah, good man.
You cut up the seeds in the
Mm-mm.
The pot too.
No. Let me think.
Seeds them not hot.
This alone is enough. I mean, I don't know nobody will cook. You cut up your
Yes.
seasoning every night.
Me cut up the seeds them in the pot.
Alright. So you just cut up the seasoning. Then.
You just add one more.
Extra layer of
Yeah.
niceness.
Yeah.
Guys, we have carrot. See?
And carrot don't really add no flavor. It just
Like taste it nice too.
it's just an extra little.
You know, carrot had flavor for me too.
Me not taste the carrot.
Mm-hmm.
Just
When I eat the carrot, I don't taste it.
no, not really. Just taste the curry seasoning and the carrot.
Well, everything combined together for give it there.
The carrot really not have no taste with it.
If I have it, me use it. If I don't have it, just don't use it. That's all.
Okay. Wood fire catch.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you're right. Look nice, don't it?
Pretty.
Yep. So this is a carrot, sweet pepper,
You put in the
onion,
pimento
thyme,
already?
scallion,
Put in the pimento.
and the pimento. Yeah.
Watch it. Me I teach you how to fire.
Yeah.
Me I teach you how to cook, you know.
Yeah, whatever. So use a whole for pimento, people. Me use whole heap because more the taste nice. Pimento, nice. All right. So guys, what we're gonna do now? Just set on the chicken as in.
Not one.
As we said, this layer.
You can kill it taste too. You say pimento can kill it taste.
You'd have to
So
use
you
a
don't want
whole lot to
too
kill the taste.
Not necessarily, but you know, you're sure.
Yeah, I mean, too much of one thing, them so good for nothing. So guys, so we have a pot so see?
Alright, stepping over to the wood fire. Well, not wood fire, coal.
Well, I would fire in a sense.
This is not a wood fire.
So
This is not what me consider wood fire.
Yeah?
This is
Not
not what me
farmer wood?
consider. No,
Coal
this
is
is
a
not what me
farmer
consider.
wood?
This is a coal stove. This is not what me consider wood fire.
Alright, you win the argument. Okay. So, yeah man, I eat that people. So let's make
Do
sure.
you normally add oil to the pot first before?
Yeah man.
Are you somebody who burn the curry first before you cook it?
Not necessarily. Some people burn the curry first and then curry the chicken. Some people curry the chicken and don't burn the curry. Some people burn a piece of garlic first, some people don't. You understand? They have different ways. But I want to do my curry.
Let me tell you about
One thing when I cook curry, now I go hurt your belly.
That's what I was just about to say.
That I one thing, but sure of.
There's this myth going around where if you don't burn the curry, then it will give you a running belly. Foolishness. Absolute garbage. Right? And if you don't cook your curry with ginger, then it will hurt your belly. No go so.
No cook.
Nothing no go so.
No cook hurt belly. Curry around us.
So you don't burn the curry?
No, I don't burn the curry.
Okay.
I think one time I ever did. Never tried back again.
Why not? What happened?
Just don't like it. I'm gonna realize I'm gonna get the same result
When you not burn it?
when I burn it.
Okay.
So I mean,
Shot.
you do you though. So guys, we just gonna throw 2 pieces of garlic in and make it As me season up the pot in the meantime.
So is this flavoring the oil, the addition of the garlic?
Exactly. You know the thing, man.
Yeah, me know if you cook better, yo.
You can't go on like you can't cook. And you know the thing.
Let me stop it. I'm seeing the people them just say me if you come on and show them the vibe.
But the man already, I said that already.
No, I'm shy.
I'm shy.
Shy.
I'm shy.
I work well behind the scenes.
So guys, we just make this eat up a little bit more. So when we throw in the chicken and everything, we just cover it and make that get its own water, sweat down and thing. You see it?
What chicken can hold in that packet?
Easily.
Hey, my pussy.
Easily. Now I get burned.
See all of this? Nice!
Nice! Yeah, pot are kind of small, but I mean,
I know what I talk about, but
we work with it on.
you're big and strong, and you just run and strong.
Yeah, peeps, so just cover it up. You go on. So the own water, you see it?
And you wash your rice, guys. Pick it, wash it, remove all of the grain, the stone, the husk, any other physical stuff that can be in the rice. Just remove all of that, wash it, and wash your rice up to 2 or 3 times to get rid of the anything unwanted in the rice.
Stone, starch, everything. Well, the stone, you pick out the stone still.
The starch.
Yeah.
Or you'll get rid of starch. Come educate me.
So the white part, what you see?
White part.
See this? All of this? Starch.
And you want to get rid of that?
Yeah, so you wash it as much as possible for wash off most of that.
Okay.
In some people what them do is cook the rice first, like half cook it, and then drain off the water, and then finish cook it. So if you are one of them personally, just
No,
let me know in the comment section.
Kind of
and see it.
That.
Well, Jamaicans for the most part not really cook rice that way still.
No. And this is the third and final rinse.
Nope.
No, you're gonna wash it again?
Though. So this is a cooking water.
Oh, okay.
And you know jasmine rice not really use a whole lot of water still, so they really have to shower it with a whole heap of water though. So you have to just be mindful of that same way. Be mindful. Yeah, so that is about it.
So from what I remember from high school food and nutrition, it's 1 cup of water for every pound of rice, and I think 2 cups is 1 pound. So How much pounds of rice was this, Rushie?
So this is about 2.5 pounds,
1.5
roughly.
pounds.
Season your pot.
Whoa. Hey man, the rest of the shells. What's like waiting on the wood fire? Oh, Jesus.
The use and a wood fire. How comes the turn wood fire now? Name back your words.
I stand
like
corrected.
a food.
Coal stove. So about the salt.
So guys, we're gonna add the salt and margarine at the same time. So me can't tell you how much salt to add. You just have to season to taste. I know some people use just a small amount of salt. So just season to taste. See? Not because I know smell taste now, I know exactly how much.
Oh gosh.
Butter. Some people add a little bit of oil to the pot as well. You add oil?
Margarine is oil.
Yeah, but some people add additional oil.
I think persons normally add oil to pasta so that it don't clump together and stick together so the rice don't come out clumpy or lumpy. But the margarine does that. So we need to add oil and margarine. Hello, cholesterol. Whew, guys, if you could smell this. I want one bigger pot.
Yep, definitely a bigger pot. You see it, guys. So, as I say, just make this go and cook in its own juice, produce its own water, and you get some tender piece like this. When you finish, it's soft and nice and just melt in your mouth. So you know what this means though, I don't have to add no whole heap of oil, no whole heap of water to it. So you just cover it up again, make it go and produce its own water, right? That's all. I have a transfer to a bigger pot, you see me? The goodness too small, the goodness too big for the small pot, so I have a transfer to a bigger pot. So you see it, bigger pot, bigger things. So if you're looking at the pot right now, you can say, or I can tell you, because you're not going to know. No water never add to it. Can you see it? As I said, it's bringing own water along with the little oil we did have in. So all of that way I see, I just own water. We just add a little bit more to this now, to the seasoning, and I'm going to chop on it. See? So just leave this now. We just go and circle down a little bit. Alright, the ginger now. Can I left out Mr. Ginger? Good. But look festive, my son.
Look festive, yes.
Put a little margarine for taste and flavor. Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up one more time again, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? I say, yeah man, rush the attack. And guys, I tell you, look at disappointment going with the video towards the end of the video. Sorry I couldn't forget the real audio. You understand me? I say, the last part, which part the audio nice and sweet and the food I got share and thing. Guys, the microphone just failed me at the part there. But you understand, when I have to dwell upon the disappointment, you understand me, I say, can watch it. Food soon start share. You understand? Pot look like gold right now. Gold me a cooking at the pot there. I'm not chicken that. A gold and gold dust. Look how it pretty. You get me I say? Yeah man. So guys, as I say, the the microphone just failed me. It just went down. I don't know what go on. And I never realized until I edit the video, guys. But you don't know, I one of them things there. We can't control the mechanics of life. You understand me? I say, man, make it. We just have to just roll with it. You get me? So right, so I just test the Caribbean and make sure that the thing good and you know too water. You get me? I say, because the Caribbean have too water if you have a little thickness night. So we just have to test it out right. Just, you see me? But guys, I did have to just kind of cut it a little bit short. I never did want to do that, but I did have to do that because, as I said, the audio it just went flat. So you don't know. But at least I can get to show you the final product, the ending part, which is the most important part, because I know now wait for the part. You get me? I say, I know now wait for the shelly rice one. I say, right, so right now, watch it. I can count the grain them one by one. Because I just take a grain and just count it and say 1, 2, 3. That's the rice for shelly. You see me? And if you see the chicken over the other side, it's pretty like a gold same. You understand me? I say. So guys, yo, one more time again, I just want to say, from the bottom of my heart, respect, thanks for viewing. Remember to like the video, remember to share. You get me? This is my first video since the little break. Will take maybe about 5 months break, so just kind of get me head together and get me act together. And I'm ready for now again, I'm ready, waiting, I'm eager. I have a video right now, I showed where I wait for you. So yo, just do phone apart and just like the video them. Just subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Share. You get me? I say, yeah man, truly want to do the same thing too. You get me? Cause she's on board, I am on board, and everybody is on board. Watch for a piece of chicken. I ain't not gonna live over right now, guys. Watch it. Chicken nice, me I tell you. So yeah man guys, yo, rush there with the golden chicken. You get me? I say nice, good old curry. You can't go wrong with this. It's either a curry goat or a curry chicken. One of them. But Jamaicans will love a curry. Bad. I mean, I think about it, do it like how we do it. Big up the Caribbean neighbors, big up Trinidad, big up Guyanese. I'm not curry bad enough, but it's a Jamaican curry. You ain't try curry until you try Jamaican curry. You see me? So if you are listening to the video, if you are watching a video, and you feel like you want to eat some good curry, yeah man, when you come to Jamaica, just link up man, and we can cook some curry and eat together. You get me? I say, yeah guys, so yeah, rush with the golden chicken and just look out for more videos like this. I have a whole heap of bunch of other videos I got present to you, and then I got see it. You see me? I come with a different style this year, a different flair, a different kind of settings. As I say, I have the outdoor setting right now, so that is what we are going to use going forward and some other plans. And guys, if you don't have a meal and you want to request it to be cooked, you can tell me, yeah man, tell me in the comment section, man. Just like Crystal, they tell me that she want the meal to cook. Also, my cousin in the US, she said she can't cook curry chicken that well, so she want me prepare a curry chicken meal, and this is what I did. So these are the video, and may have enough more curry chicken video and other curry stuff for cook same way. So yeah man, you can request on a meal just the same. You get me? Guys, remember to click the notification bell, so when a video drop, you don't have to wait. When a video drop, you get it right away and you can watch right away when the video them are premiere. You see it? So until the next time we drop a video, which is next week, because when you see the video, by the next week we drop our next video. That's how we are doing it. You see it? Like, share, subscribe, and like the video them 100 times. Like them. RUSHIE'S Kitchen, so we're going, we're gone.